Hey guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today I have for you a Boxycharm box that was for September. It's very strange. It came in two different boxes, and I only signed up for one. I signed up for, well, it's a long story. I gotta get into it. Hey, okay, I'm gonna make it short and sweet. I signed up for Boxycharm. I know, it's been a little while. I canceled back, I don't know, I think it was February. I got a Boxycharm because I heard that the Kate Somerville exfoliate could be in it. And this is $85. This is like a total holy grail for me. I love this stuff. It was gonna be available through Boxycharm. So I said, okay, I will sign up for 1 month. I will give CEO Joe and the Boxycharm fam, the employees, the company, my hard-earned money of $25. And I'll just get one box, just one time, I said. And then I'll just skip out after that if I didn't want to continue with it. But you know, when it comes to Boxycharm, things are never that easy. I signed up for Boxycharm, and it's for the September box, and I wanted to get this guy, but there were three things you could get. You could get this, or the Pharmacy Cherry Cheer Up Eye Cream, or this dreadful tomato serum that I wanted no part of. And that was allegedly worth $150. I do not want to put tomato on my face. So anywho, I got the box, and what happened was that the add-ons were coming up, and I said, oh, add-ons. I remember in the past those were good. So I wanted to see if I could upgrade to Luxe and then have early access in add-ons, and then maybe later on, if I was going to cancel, then I could just cancel Luxe. And apparently there's this whole new thing going on with Boxycharm. It is called the Cash Grab, oh, I'm sorry, it's called the Luxe Starter Box, aka the Cash Grab Boxycharm. Boxycharm has this new little rule buried really deep in the website that says that if you sign up for Boxycharm and then within 48 hours of being billed for the base box, you upgrade it to Luxe, then they will automatically send you out a Luxe starter box. They get me every time, don't they? I had no idea what a Luxe starter box was. So Boxycharm sent me the September box, which has 5 items, and then in a separate box that came 10 days later was the Luxe starter box. I'm looking down at my phone. The Luxe starter box, they charge you $24.99 for this, and you get 4 items. So you pay $25 for 5, and the Luxe starter box is $25 for 4 items. And I didn't want to get Luxe, even though I put myself on the wait list for it. I didn't want to get Luxe because of the thing that happened a long time ago when Joe said there would be like a lot of lifestyle items in them. I said, that's not for me. But nevertheless, I put myself on the wait list and gave Boxycharm the perfect opportunity to find a reason to take my money. I hope that I was able to explain what the Luxe starter box is in a somewhat understandable fashion. I will leave a link down below to the What is a Starter Luxe box that's at the Boxycharm website, so you can read it so that you don't, if you do join Boxycharm, that you don't accidentally get a Luxe starter box, because it's not good. It's not great, okay? I got 2 boxes, okay? So the first one is just a basic September box, and it was, I'm not gonna say it is Glam Vibes only, because this was already last month. So this is September, and I was happy to see that I got the little Pharmacy Cheer Up Eye Cream. So I do love Pharmacy, and I really wanted to get this or this guy. So I got this guy, and then that other guy, the Eradicate by Kate Somerville. I got this as an add-on, and love that stuff. And then I got a palette, and this is the one that I wanted. I didn't really see that many people in the unboxings get this one, but it's the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish, and I am so into purple palettes right now. It is so pretty, and I can't wait to try this one. For the Alamar palette, the first one, volume 1, they really weren't my kind of shades, and so I really didn't get a chance to really enjoy the formula and use it, but this one, I'm excited. People say it's a great formula, so purple, I love it. So yes, I can say that this box is worth it already because this is good, and the little Spanglish palette I think is adorable. And then there is a Lash Boss Bold by Laura Geller. These we see at TJ Maxx for about $5. It's a volumizing brush. I've never tried this one yet. I'll try it. And then I got the Phase Zero Blush and Bronzer Trio. This isn't a brand that I'm familiar with. Here's a little package. It's very cheap. Like the edges are like hard plastic. It's very cheap, and it looks okay. I don't really know if I'll be using this. We'll have to see. I like that the bronzer is a cool tone, however, it's not showing up. I'm gonna swatch it right here, and this bronzer, does it show up? Yeah, it shows up a little bit, and I am very, very fair, but this is a palette that is suitable for very light-skinned people. I'm one of those people, so I can't complain about the shades. So this is supposed to be a highlighter. This looks kind of garish. Look, I wouldn't wear that as a highlighter. That's, I guess, a blush topper. Not my favorite, but I'll try it out. And then my last item is some gold foil masks, and I don't know, maybe I'll give those away. I'm not a big sheet mask person. I know a lot of other people are. Okay, and then about a week later, I got this. Oh, this is the actual Boxyluxe components of a Boxyluxe box, okay? That's what they tell you. This box is supposed to be the accompaniment to the first one, which when you put them together, they magically become a Boxyluxe box. Okay, the first thing I got was that Biro tomato serum that I did not want at all. This kind of doesn't make sense to me because in the first box I already had my one of 3 items, and that one item was the cherry eye cream. So this should have been off the table, but yet it's in my Luxe box. I have a feeling they have a lot of these that they're gonna just be throwing in randomly into these Luxe boxes. And half the box, 2 of the items, are actually items that aren't even on the Boxycharm website for September Boxyluxe items. And I have no idea where these came from or why these are in here. So the second item in this box is a product that I looked for on the Boxycharm website, and I couldn't even find it. It wasn't even listed as one of the available items for a Boxyluxe box for September, and that is the Hallmarked Collectibles Canvas Cosmetic Bed. Just seems like the Boxyluxe starter box is an opportunity for Boxycharm to just throw extras into the box that they want to get rid of, which isn't a good idea because most people that are getting the Luxe starter box will be new Boxycharm subscribers. And so wouldn't you want them to be really happy with their first Luxe box as opposed to just giving them stuff that perhaps nobody else wanted? And here it is. This is the cosmetics case that is in my Boxyluxe. I guess it's supposed to look like a train case, but it's worth $32. This says it's the perfect size to store your makeup. And then it doesn't have a handle. Well, oh, it has a handle, and then it has a bow that you can slide. So it does have a real handle right here. It's very cheap. And oh, that sound. I think the sound it makes it a better cat toy. So it doesn't seem to hold all my makeup because this is the palette I'm wearing today. And that doesn't work so great. I will not be using this. Okay, up next is something that is very interesting, and I did not see this on the Boxycharm website either for Luxe items. So again, it's my theory that they just throw whatever they want into the starter box, and I don't think that's a good strategy, Boxycharm. Fenty. This is the Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. It's in Rosé on Ice. You know I like a good Rosé on Ice. And I don't think I'm going to be using this because I did check swatches online and it's a little bit darker than my skin tone. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? So I'd rather just kind of give it to someone else that could use it. It's pretty cute. It's $28. It's something that I won't be using. And then the fourth and final product is one that I think a bunch of people got this, I guess, right? This is the Pure 12-piece travel brush set. And let's take a look at it. I haven't opened it. And yeah, no, I will not be using these. It's not just that the handles are short. I expected that. This is so small. This is like the size for like a doll. I just pulled in one of my brushes that I previously got from Boxycharm. It's a Moda. So this one's angled as well. And they don't look too different. But then when you look at them dead on, you can see that this doesn't have that many brush fibers. And then this one does. And I'm... like, oh wow, that's speechless. I'm speechless. So holy cow, Boxycharm charged me $25 for this. This crunchy cat toy bag. This tomato serum that I'm not putting on my face. These brushes that a first grader can use to put makeup on their dolls. And then this little Fenty shimmer, which seems pretty good enough, but I won't be using it. So that's what a Luxe starter box is. It's kind of a mishmash of things. Needless to say, I think that second box by Boxycharm, the Luxe starter box, was a cash grab. It was a total ripoff, not worth $25 at all. The first box, I was pleasantly surprised. I liked it. Everyone, please learn from my mistake that if you join Boxycharm and you get billed, do not put yourself on the Luxe wait list within 48 hours, because if you do so, you're going to get a $25 box of cat toys and makeup brushes for a doll. So I would say no to that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button. It would help my channel. It will help my other videos get seen because YouTube will have the algorithm possibly recommend my videos, which would help me out so much. I hope you are enjoying the fall, and I will see you again at the next one. Bye!